Alright guys, welcome back. So I thought I'd make a video on my mobile tools because I've already made a video on my garage and all my tools in there. People are asking about what tools I use pretty much daily, so this is my daily tools. Basically I've got this toolbox here and this bag, that's basically all I use. Then obviously I've got a scanner and stuff and some Ryobi like power tools and stuff like that. But apart from that, this is my main kit. Sometimes I don't even take the red box, I just use that one, depends what I'm doing, but 9 times out of 10 I need something in that box if I just take that, or if I vice versa. So yeah, this is basically what goes together. It's heavy though, I'm not sure how much it weighs, but it's heavy. But yeah, so we'll start with this bag here. So let's have a look. On the front here, got a 1/2 inch ratchet, long ratchet. Like basically I've got a pry bar here. Down here I've got my 3/8 ratchet, electric ratchet there. That's a Sealy, works spot on, use it all the time. Then this side I've got the 3/8. That's a like head torch. 3/8 with a 3/8 ratchet. Yeah, got tape measure here, Stanley knife, just some pencils and stuff and stuff like that in there. Backside, some little brushes. This here is cleaning up terminals on a battery terminal cleaner there, just stuck in. Works a treat. The other side's obviously got the other thing for cleaning batteries on. Some clippers there, some cutters, Knipex needle nose, a little bit rusty but they work fine. Just what happens when they stay out, it's cold in the UK. A little bungee cord, usually for caliper or something. Zip ties, pens, bodywork tester, see if there's any filler and stuff. Tire gauge. Brake fluid tester, probably shit, but it's alright. These another Knipex, what do you call these? There's a name for them, they're American, because they're huge, bed like standard size. Small Knipex here. These work great, Cobra things. Yeah, these are class. So I've got that. Got here the 3/8, 1/2 inch gun here. This is brilliant. I use this for lug nuts and stuff. So it's got the thing there. Had that for years. Works great. The HP one. People diss the Ryobi, but honestly, the spawn. So did the Sealy's. It's a little 3/8 set. This, like I say, in case I'm not taking this one. Got a little 3/8 set there. 12 point. These are just in here, I don't really need them in there, but it's a little 1/4 inch set, 6 point. Damn, that guy's got a loud car. These are E-sockets. Then yeah, we've got some adjustable wrench, vice grips. These are all torque screwdrivers, just a normal screwdriver with different bits in it. Milwaukee. Another screwdriver, pry bar, decent hammer. Friend gave me that. Another good hammer here. It's a 4 hammer as well. Old hammer, but yeah. Got some miniature spanners there. Good little set. A spark plug tester, oil wrench. It's for the jack. Some things to put behind the car. Little pry bar. Big spanners. Screwdriver. More zip ties. More vice grips. Yeah, that's basically all there is in there. So I'll put all this back and then show you what's in this box. Alright, so that's that sorted. And this is like my main box. So got a magnet here, light on the end of it. That's just a light. Little snap-on screwdriver, magnetic bottom on it. Spot on that. Snap-on 3/8. I bought this from pawn shop and that's got to be a long time ago. It didn't come with a charger. I still haven't got one, and it still works somehow. So I don't know if the batteries are this insane or something, but I don't really use it that much, to be honest with you. It just kind of sits there. I have used it a handful of times, but yeah, I do need to buy a battery charger for it. But yeah, this is like the main setup here. Little 1/4 inch ratchet there, handle on there, 3/8 ratchet, small one, some little extensions and stuff back there, breaker bar, 1/2 inch, got a 3/8 ratchet, flex head, Milwaukee, got a 3/8 snap-on that my friend gave me that was broken that I fixed. If I can spin it. It's quite solid, but good little ratchet. 1/4 inch here. Flexi Milwaukee one. Yeah, that's it for this one. So I've got some socket back here, swivels, different attachments there for obviously for lug nuts. Get 28, 27, 30, 34, 36. Then we've got here from 8mm to 24. That's not missing any. 3/8. Got the shallow and long. So same here, 8 to 24. These are all US Pro. Had them for, don't know how long, probably 2 years or something, maybe longer, and solid. Not a single one has any issues. Use them like all the time. So some extensions here, wobbly extensions. Then here we've got 1/4 inch long and 1/4 inch short. Not sure what sizes go from. Have a look. So I don't really use them that often. 4mm. I think it's like 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5. And then that's like 14, yeah, 14. So it's a good little array of things. I don't have a half inch set in here. I do have a 1/2 inch like little pack, like, you know, them 3/8 ones I've got in there. Like one of them, but a 1/2 inch one. That stays in the car, so if I need it, I use them. But I usually don't. I just use 3/8 and 1/4 inch, and that works fine for me. And then we've got some hex heads here and some Torx here. Pretty much all the ones you need. Yeah, that's the top box. And first drawer. This here is a set of picks. Sorry, not a set of picks. It's a punch set. So punches and chisels and stuff, full chisels. There's a little set of picks there. This is obviously for doing trim pieces and stuff like that. Same with that one. Then we've got it's a straight through screwdriver, so the shaft goes all the way through. Use that for anything, prying and stuff, and just beating and stuff. Obviously got a little pry bar there. Wear a screwdriver. I did have a set of Halfords Advance screwdrivers in here, but I don't really use them, so I thought I'd take them out and put other things in here. So just organised it better, basically. So I only usually really use flatheads, but obviously if I need any screwdrivers, I've got all the bits in here and stuff. So there's stuff in there as well. So, but yeah, I don't really need them. So there is a Phillips in here somewhere. Oh, it must be this one. And then in here you just got miscellaneous stuff. Just little bits I put on this little tray so that it doesn't just go everywhere in the box. Just put this back up here. Second drawer down, got a hammer, dead blow, pry bar, CK cutters, they're brilliant. More vice grips. I will just get some of these out so you can see. It's a German, basically German cobras, like the Knipex ones. But I don't know what brand they are, but I know they're made in Germany. It says there, I bought them for like £1 from a car boot sale. I've just bought these, I haven't used them yet, but for hoses. These are brilliant. This is what the brand's called, Engineer. Basically you can grab like damaged screws and bolts and stuff with them. Work brilliant. Same with the needle nose there. And then some Knipex here. These are for fuel lines and different sort of lines and stuff in cars. Used them. I don't use them too often, but when you need them, they're great. Alright, and this is the last drawer. Got some bits up here in the corner. This is for a BMW. It's for doing the rear brakes. I've got a little set of them here. I have got the hexes up there, but I bought these before I bought them. This is for spark plugs on a Clio. Also sump plug for a Clio. They do come in handy for other vehicles. Some more E-bits, E-sockets. Obviously, Allen keys. Got torque. Also torque security bits. And hex. That goes on the thing for more leverage on them. And then obviously I've got a set of spanners here. Flex head and ratcheting. These are brilliant. Halfords Advance. So I've got a full set there. And I put them in these little pots so nothing like moves all over the place. But yeah, that's basically all I need for doing on mechanical work. Servicing, brake jobs, removing front ends, fitting wings. I don't really do much engine work apart from servicing, obviously. I wouldn't be taking apart an engine or anything. I do clutches though. Do clutches with all this. Thinking what else? Literally, you know, anything you see in my videos, basically all I use is this setup here. But yeah, this is like just my mobile kit. I wish it was all in one box or something, but I wouldn't be able to carry it. It is a bit of a mission carrying it, lugging it about everywhere, but it's what I've got to deal with until I get a shop or something. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I have just bought a couple new cars from Copart, so there'll be a video on that soon. So stay tuned for that. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, can't make